Today in this video we will talk about how bedroom furniture decoration can completely transform your space, making your room more comfortable and stylish and functional. So friends, bedroom furniture decoration ideas. Keep only essential furnitures like beds, side tables, wardrobes and dressers to maintain open space. And go for modern beds and hydraulic storage beds or wooden platform beds or depending on the theme and space. And use under-bed storage, wall-mounted shelves, and modular wardrobes to reduce the clutter. And match the bed, wardrobe, and side tables finish like teak, walnut, and white matte or laminated or pure polishes. And Asian chairs or lawn seating added to the single-seater chair or bench near window for reading the relax. Use compact of nightstands and warm table lamps for cozy ambience. Use dogs and curtains cushions and through the texture and warmth. And use a mirror to the enhance the space. Full height wardrobe mirrors or wall mirrors make the small room look bigger. In modern bedroom design, sleek furniture, glass and metilations, bold shapes, statement of lightning, ancient walls, and color is charcoal, navy, beige, and monochromatic themes. And it's best for contemporary apartments or urban homes. Traditional and classic bedrooms, cardboard furniture, rich fabric and warm colors, wallpapers and antique lamps, classic patterns. Materials like teakwood, velvet, brass, and Asian sets, best for luxury homes and heritage-style interiors. Rustic and natural bedrooms, wooden textures and earthy-tone natural fabrics, of cane furniture and terracotta elements and indoor plants. The colors like brown, olive green, earthy beige, it's best for cottage-style or natural-inspired rooms. Luxury bedroom interiors, velvet of modern beds and gold accents and marble textures, automatic lighting and soundproofing designer furniture natural palette with a statement decor. Space for premium modern homes. Wall-mounted tables or foldable beds and sliding doors, light colors mirrors for sophistication and spacious storage need to the bed and vertical storage best for compact and city homes. Advantages of bedroom furniture decoration enhance the comfort and lifestyle and improve storage and organization and makes the room visual appealing and better space of planning and movement and increase the property and invent interior value and give to the modern and premium look. So friends, bedroom furniture decoration is not just about the looks, it's about of comfort, function and peaceful ambience. Like and